And she's singing Give Bella Some Love. Wasn't that fantastic? Now we're going to switch it up here. We're going to go back to Pickles. I think she's ready to work. Even though she didn't win, she's going to help us showcase some prizes. Pickles, you want to help us showcase some prizes? Now, like I said, Pickles is a rookie. She's only 14 months. Now, Pickles, down. Now, I want to tell you this next prize is really exciting. I hope everybody freaks out. It is a trip to Disneyland! Yeah, very exciting. But the thing is, there's only one ticket. What are we going to do? There's only one ticket.